Your company currently has Fortinet Fortigate appliances for your SD-WAN or just your firewalls, and those are becoming end of life here pretty soon at the end of 2026 or shortly thereafter. And so you're wondering, as their IT team, should we just get new Fortinet appliances, or are there better options out there? What other benefits can we get if we go away from Fortinet Fortigate? Well, I'm going to tell you the things you should be thinking about in terms of what other vendors might be able to bring to the table that will be benefits compared to what you have today. Fortinet Fortigate is definitely a good solution. It's inexpensive, but there are different solutions out there that might be a good fit for you. So I'm going to go over those in this video. My name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of AeroCom. Let's put our heads together on this. If you'd like my recommendations on the best SD-WAN and SASE vendors your company should be quoting compared to your Fortinet Fortigate solution, send me an email, give me a call. It doesn't cost you anything to use me, so there's no excuse not to. I love doing this stuff. I've been a broker for all the major vendors in the space for over 20 years. So I know the industry inside and out, and I will actually get you better pricing on the SD-WAN or SASE solution of your choice, as opposed to you just calling the vendor directly and just working with a sales rep there. So I'll get you a nice demo, get you a quote, get you better pricing on the vendor of your choice, and overall you can join the thousands of other IT professionals who have used me to help their company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. So don't hesitate, send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about this stuff. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my future weekly videos that I put out. And go check out our website, aerocominc.com. You can review providers, you can write reviews on providers, read reviews on providers, you can watch videos on them, read summaries on them, all kinds of good stuff. Go check that out today. What are the benefits of going away from a Fortinet Fortigate solution and choosing a different vendor for your SD-WAN or SASE solution? Maybe getting rid of just a firewall only solution and going to a SASE solution. What are the benefits of that? Well, I'm going to go over some different thoughts on that, and this is going to cover multiple solutions. So I'm going to kind of tell you some of the benefits of using a different vendor. I'm not telling you that one vendor brings all these things to the table, but look at these as, if any one of these sound interesting to you, then you might want to look at something other than Fortinet Fortigate for your next solution for the company. And if that's the case, reach out, contact me, I can give you some recommendations there. So the first reason is maybe you want something a little bit more bulletproof when it comes to security. Fortinet Fortigate has had some issues in the past when it comes to malware attacks, exploiting some vulnerabilities in the software. So if you want something a little bit more bulletproof, where maybe you've had to deal with some of those malware attacks in the past and you don't want to have to deal with that again moving forward, that might be reason number one. Reason number two is maybe your company needs a little bit lower latency. Maybe you need to go to a single pass architecture, or maybe your company should look into something that has TCP proxy, or maybe your company needs an SD-WAN SASE solution that has a global private backbone network to reduce latency. So maybe your company is getting a little bit of latency today, and the Fortinet Fortigate, that's not necessarily their forte, is when it comes to reducing latency. So maybe that's a reason why you want to take a look at other solutions. Another reason why you might want to look at other solutions is maybe you need a little bit lower maintenance appliances at every site. Maybe you want something that's more like a no hands type of appliance at every single site. Maybe as it is today, you have a lot of sites and the Fortinet Fortigate appliances require reboots sometimes, or any type of updates, and the IT team has to do that. And maybe you have a lot of sites that do not have anybody technical on site, and that causes some problems for your IT teams. So that might be a reason you might want to look into another vendor who can do something that is completely hands-off at each site, so your IT team does not have to go on site to touch any of the appliances. Another reason why you want to, or you might want to look away from Fortinet Fortigate is maybe your company is a better fit for more of a cloud-based firewall or cloud-based security solution. And maybe that's a better fit for you because maybe you want to scale faster at some of the sites. Maybe some of your sites need to scale, And if you have a certain Fortinet Fortigate appliance at that site, it can only get so large, and you can only scale the security and bandwidth so much, and it'd be better for you to have a cloud-based solution that has unlimited scalability. Also, you might want a cloud-based security solution for remote users to access the network through ZTNA instead of doing point-to-point VPNs. So maybe you have a lot of remote users that are trying to log into the network, and you've got a bunch of point-to-point VPN set up, and that's just not feasible anymore. You'd rather have a cloud-based security solution that can let those remote users access the network through ZTNA and not have to do all those point-to-point VPNs. And another one is maybe your company needs some more advanced AI detection when it comes to security. So maybe you're looking for some more advanced AI tools that can really detect anomalies on the network and give you some heads up. Maybe your IT team is small and you need a little bit more AI tools to help you out seeing the things that you can't see. And Fortinet Fortigate, although it's an inexpensive solution, it's a good solution, it comes to a point where there are better solutions out there when it comes to the AI tools available nowadays. And lastly, maybe you just need something that's a little bit more unified, a little bit more user-friendly, and you're not really loving the Fortinet Fortigate GUI interface. Maybe you need something that is just a little bit easier to manage all of your sites. Maybe you have a lot of sites and you need some extra tools just to manage everything better, a little bit easier to navigate. All right, so those are some of the things out there that other vendors offer that might trump a Fortinet Fortigate solution. So if any of those sound interesting to you, you might be a good candidate as these appliances are becoming end of life, that you may want to look into different solutions instead of just, upgrading your Fortinet with, the latest and greatest Fortinet. Maybe you should look into other SD-WAN and SASE solutions that can give you a little bit more. And if that's the case, absolutely reach out and contact me. I can get you better pricing on solutions. I can recommend certain solutions. I've been a broker for all the major SD-WAN and SASE solutions for over 20 years. So I know the industry inside and out. And based on your company's requirements, I can tell you the small handful of vendors that your company should be exploring. I can introduce you to the best salespeople there. I can get you a demo of that solution, and I can make sure your company gets a lot better pricing than if you're just going to reach out and contact them directly. So reach out and contact me. And the nice thing is, on top of all that, I do not charge you anything to get my recommendations. So it will cost your company $0 to use me. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out and see what I have to say about all this stuff. So join the thousands of other companies who have used me to help their company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. Send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help. It's the reason why I do these videos. So if you got something from this video, it's a nice way to say thank you. Just send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you. Also, again, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my future weekly videos that I put out. And go check out our website, aerocominc.com. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.